Welcome to our channel. Having trouble with Netflix on your Roku? It's a common issue, but don't worry, we're here to walk you through some simple fixes to get you back to binge watching in no time. First things first, let's try the most basic solution, restarting your Roku. Navigate to the Settings menu on your Roku home screen, then select System, and finally choose System Restart. Confirm your selection, and your Roku will power down and reboot. Give it a minute or two to fully restart, then try launching Netflix again. This often resolves minor software glitches that can cause apps to freeze or not load correctly. If a simple restart doesn't do the trick, the next thing to try is checking your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection is often the culprit behind streaming issues. Go back to the Settings menu on your Roku, select Network, and then check Connection. Follow the on-screen instructions to test your internet speed and connectivity. If your internet speed is significantly lower than what you're paying for, or if the connection test fails, you may need to contact your internet service provider or troubleshoot your home network. Try restarting your router and modem. Unplug them both, wait about 30 seconds, plug the modem back in first, wait for it to connect, and then plug in the router. Still having problems? Okay, let's try removing and reinstalling the Netflix app. From your Roku home screen, highlight the Netflix app. Press the *button on your Roku remote. This will bring up a menu. Select Remove Channel and confirm your choice. Once Netflix is removed, go to the Roku channel store, search for Netflix, and add the channel back to your Roku. You'll need to re-enter your Netflix login credentials, so make sure you have your username and password handy. If none of those steps worked, there's one more thing to try. Updating your Roku's software. Outdated software can sometimes cause compatibility issues with apps like Netflix. Go to Settings, then System, and then System Update. Select Check Now to see if there are any available updates. If there is an update, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. This process may take a few minutes, so be patient and avoid interrupting the update process. Hopefully, one of these solutions has resolved your Netflix issue on your Roku. If you're still experiencing problems after trying all of these steps, it might be a more complex issue that requires contacting Netflix or Roku support directly. They might have specific troubleshooting steps, or be aware of any ongoing service outages that are affecting your ability to stream. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.